How to switch between live and demo account in NordFX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In NordFX, if you are looking for a way to switch between live and demo accounts, then first of all, open up your NordFX app or website and sign into your account. Now go ahead and click on the trading accounts option on the right or at the left, and you'll see this trading, demo and archive option. If you want to go ahead and switch to demo, select the demo option, and if you want to switch to a live account, you can choose the trading option. The demo account is especially used for practicing with virtual funds. If you want to trade with real money, you can switch to the trading option or the live account. But in order to switch between them, you must go ahead and create your account first for demo and for trading. So that's how you switch between demo account and a real account in NordFX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.